Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to solve a Rubik's Cube on your computer, the website. And what you're going to do is you're going to type in this. So, RUBIKS-solver.com. This is the website. Hit enter. Here is the website. There's all the languages that they have their little map thing. And see the Rubik's Cube? Well, Rubik's Cube to that, you always want to hold the orange side like this with the yellow on top, green on this side, blue on that side, white on the bottom, and red back here. Now I'm going to bring it down here. Okay, so you're going to hold it like this, and like orange center, yellow, green, and then you're going to type in all of the colors on your Rubik's Cube, like that, and just going to scramble it randomly, and then you're going to, right here, you're going to hit solve. And it'll do that. Keep calm and wait for the solution. It takes about 20 seconds. The maximum in the world was 2 minutes. If you don't want to wait, you can, yeah. See? And it says either 20 steps, hit this, and then it'll tell you, like, turn it that way, and keep clicking it. They'll turn you down that way, turn it down left on the bottom, then go up, and then like you can go through all of the steps, and then soon it'll tell you, and then you have solved it. And then that's what I use to do this. That will be the end of today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and feel free to ask me any questions about it, and have a nice and wonderful day.